Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how can you schedule a meeting on MS Teams. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into your class. For example, I have to go in my class. So what I have to do, I have to click on this team tab and I have clicked on it, and this is my class of engineering mechanics. So I have clicked on it. So what I have to do, I have to schedule a meeting, and I don't want to schedule a meeting right now because I have class tomorrow. So what I have to do, I have to go in this meeting meet tab. It is on the top right corner of your MS Team window. So you have to click on it and you will get two options here. One is the meet now. You can schedule a meeting right now, and you have to schedule a meeting for earlier tomorrow or later on. So I have to click on the schedule on a meeting, and I am going to add the title here. For example, I have to conduct lecture number 16 tomorrow. So I am going to write down lecture number 16, problems practice problems, because numericals on trusses are very lengthy. Practice problems on truss. So what I have to, if I want to add required attendees, for example, I have LMS with my class. For example, any other faculty, she or he has to join with me. So I have to add its name, or his or her name, or I can add his or her email ID, which is already present in my MS Team account. So what I have to do, I have to assign the date, and which is 22 September here, and the timing should be what, 11:30 a.m. So I have to click on 11:30 a.m. because I have class tomorrow in the morning, and it is 1 hour 30 minutes class. So it will be around 1 p.m. 1 hour 30 minutes. So what I have to do next, it's very simple. I have to click on the send button, because I have students in my class already is here, so they will get the notification. One more thing, what can I do is that I have to go again in this meeting where I schedule it. So I can click on this, and now earlier what I was getting the tab here is the send, but send tab. Now I have got the tab is join. So what I have to do, I have to go here, join Microsoft meeting. So I have to click on it, and I have to click on the copy link. So I can copy this link, and I will send this link from my MS Team account as well. And if I want to send it separately, so I can WhatsApp it, and I can email to my students as well. So if I want to write it down, so I can paste it here, and all of my students will get this MS Team link, and they can join the class as well, and they will get the notification already if I will not provide this link, because they are added in my class. So it's not a big issue. I think so it will be clear to all of you. You can easily schedule a meeting on MS Team. You can see here lecture number 16, practice problems on trust, Tuesday, September 22, and the timing is the start of the class will be 11:30 a.m. So this is the way you can schedule your meeting. So that's all for today. Hopefully you will understand it, and you will not get more problem on it. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.